Let's talk about it, shall we? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taylor. I got my hair done, I have a lip oil on, I got my nails done. Your girl is ready for classes, okay? Got my glasses on. I look like, what's her name? Aaliyah. I think her last name's Simone or something like that. Aaliyah on YouTube. I'm kind of giving her vibes right now. Just a little bit with the forehead. We both got big foreheads, girl. Love you, whatever. Today I already did this kind of video in a live stream, but now I'm going to actually record it, basically. So I have my talking notes right here, and we're just gonna get on and talk about it. Excuse my room. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna zoom in and we're gonna talk like this. So this is my last semester ever. We don't know if I'm gonna go to not in graduate school yet. If I do, I'm gonna take at least a year off of school before I even consider that, because that's a lot to just go back to school for 2 more years to get a master's. If I wanted to teach, then yeah, I would just jump into it right now, but I don't want to teach, so I don't see a reason to get a master's yet, but we'll see in the future. Let's talk about how I feel about my last semester ever. I am so excited. Like, I am so excited. I'm so ready to be done, but at the same time I don't want it to start, because I am just now enjoying my summer. I'm just not having time to get off from classes and also work. So I just need like an extra week, and then I'll be like, okay, let's go ahead and get this done over with. But like, listen, what was I about to say? Ever since the end of spring semester this year, 2023, I've been working for my mom, right? And that was fine at first, but then I would have to wake up early every single day, all throughout June, July, and August. I would have to wake up early, and I'm still working for her for a few more weeks because she actually needs help. But I was just doing it because I needed money for the summer, right? And yeah, I'm not complaining about it. Very grateful, because it kept me afloat for a minute. Then I had classes. I took 3 classes in July, and I got 1A, 2Bs. That was a lot in itself, because learning technology, learning about law, and then learning French, they're not even on the same spectrum. They're not on the same spectrum. They're very crazy, if anything. Other than that, I'm very excited to get it over with. I'm ready to walk across the stage for my 5 little seconds that I got and just be done. That's how I feel. I don't have real strong feelings about anything, really. I'm just done. I'm burned out. I felt the burnout a few weeks ago, and I know I'm still burned out, so I just want to get this done with. Okay, so let's talk about what kind of classes I'm taking, and let me tell you, I might drop one. I don't need it for my degree plan, but like, if I drop it, I'm still gonna graduate, you know. Like, I'm not missing a class. I'm just taking it just in case something happens. But I might drop it on like tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. It's my morning class. It starts at 9 in the morning. It's intro to nonprofits and philanthropy. I think that's how you say it. So I'm taking that. That's my morning class. I don't know. We're just gonna talk about all the classes I'm taking. So I'm taking intro to nonprofits, right? And it's with a doctor. Usually when it comes to doctors and me, it's either I love them or I can't stand their guts. There's no in between. Like, there's literally no in between. So hopefully I vibe with them, you know. Another class that I'm taking is intro to advertising. I'm taking my minor classes right now. So my minor is communication. So everything in the communication department at my school at UTA, I get to take any class, like anything. Podcast, broadcasting, I can take it all. This class I am taking it's called Strategic Social Media Communication. So basically like social media marketing, I think. I'm excited for that class. It's gonna help me with my business now and my business in the future. So that's like the only class that and advertising, I feel like those are 2 classes that are going to be beneficial for me. In my last art class, I'm taking portfolio presentation. Yeah, we're not gonna get into that because I don't know much about it. But yeah, those are the 4 classes I'm taking. Really 3.5. I'm really taking like 3.5 because the portfolio presentation is only meeting once a week and it's only worth 1 credit. I mean 1 hour. So it's like as long as I finish, man, that's all I care about. Okay, next let's talk about grades that I expect. I expect to pass every single one, okay? Every single one. I better get A's and B's. I don't care what order it is. I don't care if I only get 1 A and all B's. I don't care if I get all B's, all A's. I better pass. Class expectations. Girl, listen. I don't know any of these people in my minor. This is the first time I'm ever on like communication side, other than I took 1 communication class. I took communication graphics. Okay, now let's get into the big stuff, which is graduating goals. Okay, so let's be real. I'm graduating in December. We are getting this degree whether we like it or not. So my graduating goals is to have a job within 3 months of me graduating. I already have a plan. I'm gonna do hair right when I graduate. I'm gonna like get like some type of job where it's not hard, or I'll just really hone in on my photography and try to get clients that way, or I'll just get like a retail job until I can find something that I really want, right? But I'm trying to be a UX UI designer. I think we all know that. Do we all know that? Just a full-time graphic designer. A full-time graphic designer. I'm trying to be full-time something, okay? Or web designer. Those 3 things I want to really do. When it comes to graphic design, I want to do more of branding and visual identity systems because I enjoy that so much. Like that class, I loved it. So anything like that, that's what I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna have to rely on Jehovah like really heavily. I'm gonna have to pray a lot just to get something decent, somewhere that I don't hate, have a high paying career, because I have the credentials that I have qualifies me to have like a bomb pay for entry level. So yeah, now let's talk about the exciting stuff. The exciting stuff, which is graduation pictures. So I'm probably gonna have like scrolling right here of my graduation inspiration, and I'll probably link it down below if I remember. I always this is like my whole inspiration for my graduation photos, right? I want it to be very fun, different. Like, of course they're gonna do the traditional, you know, all the traditional pictures, but then I want some fun ones. I want to be blowing bubble gum. I want to have lollipops. I want to be slayed, okay? Weave on straight, little bend at the end. You know, I just want to be cute. I just want to be cute, and I want to have fun with it. I don't want boring pictures. Then my graduation cap, I kind of want to do it like Megan Thee Stallion's, where it's all bedazzled out. Here, I'll show you. This is what I kind of want, where it's like bedazzled out and it says Real Hot Girl. Yeah, that's what I want, but I don't want it to say that. I want it to say something else, Beyonce related, or like Jehovah related. Top two related things in my life, okay? That's what I want it to be. Okay, next for the graduation trip. Okay, so me and my friend Christian, been knowing her since I was a baby, basically. We are going to Aruba. Hopefully she does not back down on me, because if she does, then I'm going by myself and I don't care. I'll go by myself, you know, because I just want to go somewhere warm, because I know in January and February it gets really cold in Texas. Not like freezing, but it gets cold, and then sometimes ice happens. So I'm trying to get out before all that happens and come back before it happens too. And then last but not least, the topic that I want to talk about is, would I do school again? Here's the thing. I like learning stuff that I want to learn about. Like, don't force me to learn English. Do not force me to learn math. I don't care about that. I need to know the basics, and that is it. That's it. I don't need to know all this extra stuff. Like lathos and pathos. I don't care. What is that gonna do for me? What is that gonna do for me? Really? Be honest. I need to know what an adjective is, and that's it. That's it. Would I do school again? Probably. If I got enough financial aid. 'Cause without financial aid, I would not be in school right now. I can't afford it by myself. School's very expensive. I know there's online courses out there and like online schools that take you do programs and get a master's degree, like at OU. Like I said, I know the whole plan. Like I would go to OU to get it because they have an online program where I can learn everything that I want to learn and get my MA. Like, that's so exciting. But yeah, I guess I'm done talking. I don't really know. I talked about all my talking points. Goals for last semester ever. Possibly. Question mark. Maybe. Exclamation point. Yes. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video to get to know me a little bit better. There's gonna be another video coming real soon where it's like a Q&A. I have to edit that and film it. Ooh. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.